I'm going to be doing a review of Kombucha. I saw some really good-looking woman in the store buy some of this Kombucha, and I had no idea what it was. And so I figured if she's looking as hot as she's looking, this Kombucha might be good for me. Maybe it will make me look hot. Well, not in that way, but you know. So I looked at the flavors when I went there the next time. I bought chocolate. I don't know if that was a good idea because my body doesn't digest chocolate too well. So I might have some serious problemos with this tonight. A bubbly probiotic tea and superfood. You know, when you see these things and you figure, oh, come on, how good can these things be? But it's supposed to be a probiotic, and maybe it's good. I don't know. It looks liquidy because it is a liquid. So let me zoom out a little bit. So I'm going to be opening this bottle, and I'm going to taste it while you are listening. This is gonna. I think I heard a little gas pop out of there. Maybe it was sealed with some pressure in it. So I don't know if you're supposed to shake it up. I would think chocolate would be really thick like a chocolate milk because it's got a chocolate flavor to it. So I don't know. I don't really know what kombucha is. I don't know if it's Korean or Japanese or Chinese, but I don't think kombucha is an English word. Kombucha? Hey, that's what you do when you're on a date. You kombucha. Well, you know what I mean. Okay, so it says Rishi chocolate. I don't know what that is. All glass, no plastic. Well, I'm not eating the glass. Real food. Small batch kombucha. Okay. Exotic. It's an exotic superfood. Refresh and cacao. Oh, Rishi. I don't know what that is. Walk into a bar isn't a joke. They did just walk into your kombucha. I have no idea what this thing is. I hope it's not going to go in the garbage. So, my channel is a review channel. I do reviews of products. If there's something you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, let me know. I'll do the review within reason. This has nothing to do with this brand Health Odd. Has nothing to do with it. I'm just doing a review of Kombucha. That's what the review is about. So, hey, remember, do that thumbs up, the subscribe, the like, the share, the comments, the donate to my PayPal channel if you want to. So it looks kind of bubbly in there. I'm going to open this thing up. And you just have to, as most things in life are, you just have to depend on what I say. Because what I say is always right. Isn't that how it is? Yeah, because I'm the man. Ooh, it had a little pop. I wonder if there's a thing underneath the cover. No, it's starting to bubble up. It's doing a little fizzy over there. That's kind of weird. Ooh, and it just left a little seal on the top, and now it popped open. Look at it. My kombucha is bubbling. I'm going to taste this, and I'm going to tell you what well, first I'm going to smell it. Before you eat anything in life, all us guys know you've got to smell it. I mean, before you drink. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, what the heck is this made out of? Man, it smells like vinegar. Who does this stink? This smells like a really strong bottle of vinegar or a really strong cleaner, a floor cleaner, or a salad dressing. Yikes. That's where the probiotic is coming from. It is, sorry, I haven't had a taste of it yet. That came from out of nowhere. So, that came from smelling it. That came from my kombucha. Okay. Let me taste this. Oh my gosh, the smell is so strong. All right, I'm going to taste it. It's supposed to be healthy for you. Like I said, that woman was pretty hot looking. I don't know that a woman can get hot looking by drinking a bubbly probiotic tea. Why would this be a tea when it smells like it's vinegar? Okay, here we go. Whoo! Yuck. Okay, you can hear my positive review of that. This is really, I don't even know how to describe the taste. It's kind of like a bitter taste. Like I was saying, it's almost like drinking a bottle of vinegar without it being a bottle of vinegar. This thing's saying a flavor of chocolate. I don't know where the chocolate is. All I know is, yikes. Let me taste a couple more sips of this. This is a really weird, there is no, I don't taste the chocolate at all. All I taste is the bitterness. It's not so much bitter, it's a mild bitterness. Let me pinch my nozzle, and then I'll just, I won't smell it, I'll just taste it and see how I do with that. Okay, here we go. Oh, I wasn't even sniffing with my nozzle, my sensory glands. I just had my mouth trying to suck in some of the liquid as I was tilting the bottle back towards my mouth. Whoa. So it's not nasty. It's really not, it's not a gross nastiness, but there's no, I derive no pleasure in drinking this. So I'm really going to have to go and look on the net and see what people say about kombucha. Kombucha. People, leave some comments. Let me know why I need this stuff. What does it do for me? Is it worth the money? Or should I just drink a bottle of vinegar or salad dressing instead? Okay, so I've had 3 or 4 tiny little sips. I barely lowered the level on this bottle, and I don't know what this is going to do for me. I can't imagine what happens when you end up sitting down later on at night and doing what happens naturally if you want to, if your eyes burn even worse than normal, and everybody in the house says, "Get out of here!" Ay, ay, ay. All right, so I'm going to take a couple more sniffs of this. There is no chocolate scent at all. It is bitter without being bitter, and it just doesn't smell great at all. But I guess, like eating or drinking anything, it's an acquired taste, and you just have to decide or find out if it's worth it. So tell me, people, is this stuff going to help my body, my system? Is it worth the investment? As far as the taste, it is not nasty, but it is definitely not delicious or good or pleasant. And the smell, not good or delicious or pleasant. So if you're a guy, you've been in that position before where the taste and the smell is not good, delicious, or pleasant, but you go for it anyway because it is kombucha. So I'm going to go we're over here, I'm going to take a couple big sips, couple gulps, and hopefully I don't spit this all over the dog bed to the left of me. Here we go. That was only one sip. This is definitely not something you could tilt back and drink 3 or 4 gulps like you would a bottle of soda or a glass of orange juice. Just no way. Here we go for the second one. Oh boy. Whoa. All right. So I don't know how much you're supposed to have or not have, and I'm going to go post this as my review. Let me know what you think. Is this worth drinking, or should I be staying away from this stuff? Is this going to burn a hole in my system?